Hello, welcome back to Dream Home. Today, we're stepping inside a timeless English country house. In the living area, it's all about layers. We see heritage furniture and plush seating designed for long, lazy afternoons. The charm starts the moment you walk through the door. It's a style that feels like a warm hug from the very first step. There is always a focal point, usually a fireplace that has been the heart of the home for generations. Bookshelves aren't just for storage here. They are part of the architecture, adding soul and a sense of history to every corner. Moving into the private spaces, notice the mix of patterns. Florals, stripes, and linens create a sanctuary that is soft and inviting. The kitchen follows suit, blending rustic utility with elegance. Think open shelving, aged brass, and plenty of natural wood. It's the small things that matter: fresh-cut flowers, mismatched antiques, and family heirlooms that tell a story. This style isn't about perfection, it's about character. It's a home that has been lived in, loved, and curated over time. The connection to nature is key. Large windows frame the countryside, making the garden feel like a living part of the room. Which of these rooms was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like for more. See you next time.